Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'm going to discuss with you all the recent hack that has happened with respect to Iron Finance. Yes, you got it right. It's all about the Titan token, which has its value dipped from $52 to almost zero in a span of very few hours. Well, myself Prem Kasi, a chartered accountant and a company secretary. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and continue to watch this particular video. And yes, I'm not going to discuss with you all on what has happened. Rather, I'll be showing you with live examples, with live Excel workings on how did they do it, how the intelligent hackers, or I can say intelligent investors or the traders or the big whales have taken the advantage of arbitrage opportunity, and why this particular Titan has fallen to such an extreme level of zero. Well, so before talking all these things, let me tell you a brief introduction about Iron Finance. So Iron Finance is something which is a partially collateralized stable coin available on Polygon network as well as Binance Smart Chain. When we speak about Polygon network, it is pegged to 0.75 USDC plus 0.25 Titan token, and when we speak about Binance Smart Chain, it is pegged to 0.75 USDC and 0.25 BUSD plus 0.25 Steel token. It's just the difference, Steel and Titan. So Titan represents on Polygon and Steel represents on Binance Smart Chain. So this is all about the tokenomics, or the way or the algorithm behind generating or pegging a Iron stablecoin. Well, so now let us see how or what exactly has happened, how the intelligent investors have taken the advantage of arbitrage. So for that, we are at polygon.iron.finance, and I'm going to show you what has happened. So here you can see the mint and also redeem. So minting means the process of generating an Iron token. Redeeming is the process of I can say scrapping that Iron Finance token and converting back to USDC and Titan in this case. Okay, so let's also see two more ratios to get a better picture. Then I'll take you to the Excel workings. So the first ratio that you need to understand is the effective collateral ratio, and other thing is the total collateral ratio, or the target collateral ratio for that matter. So what is effective collateral ratio is, here if you see 91.15% you need to invest in USDC or deposit USDC, 8.85% of the worth of trade that you want to do should be in Titan. As a result, you will be getting a Iron token. Okay, so this is the effective collateral ratio, which varies from time to time depending on the liquidity pools which Iron has on USDC and Iron has on Titan. Okay, so based on that, you can see these numbers will be varying, and at this point of time making the video, it is 91% versus 9% of Titan. Okay, so that is all about the effective collateral ratio. And talking about target collateral ratio, it is fixed. Every time when you scrap an Iron token, you will be getting 75% USDC, 25% Titan tokens worth. Okay, so this is all a bit of mathematics that they involved into their algorithm or the protocol, so that they can generate and redeem these Iron tokens following these two ratios. Well, now it's more difficult to understand how that ratios are designed and all, and for that you need to look into white paper, and so that you will be able to understand. So now I'm not going to discuss all those things. I'm going to show you how the hackers or traders have taken the advantage of arbitrage. For those who doesn't know the meaning of arbitrage, it means that buying a product at a lesser price in one market and selling the same at a similar time in other market at a higher price. Okay, so that's all about arbitrage, and let me show you how the arbitrage has been taken using an Excel. Okay, so imagine I have connected my MetaMask wallet and I just want to make a trade, or I just want to buy one Iron Finance token. For that, what I need to do, I need to invest 9115 of USDC and 8,858. You can see it's automatically calculated, which represents 9% of Titan that is required. As a result, I'll be getting one Iron. So I'll just put all these things in an Excel and convert into equivalent USDC. Okay, so we are at mint here, and the current market price of Titan is 239. Okay, I'll just update my Excel as well. Let's make the workings to the nearest possible, 239. Okay, so this is the current value of Titan. Now to buy one Iron token, this is my target. What I'm doing, I'm just putting my USDC of 0.9115 and a Titan of this much, and converting that Titan into equivalent USDC at the current price, which means that I'm spending 1.12 equivalent of USDC to buy one Iron token. Okay, so I hope up to these workings are clear. I just converted the Titan into equivalent USDC with current market price of Titan USDC, and I just showed you what you are actually spending in USDC. Okay, and as I told you, these ratios, effective collateral ratio, ECR, are changeable depending on the liquidity pools volume. Okay, at this point of it is this way. Maybe earlier this was 1 or even 95.95.85, whatever, depending on the ratio. Okay, so this is all about that. You need to invest to buy a Iron Finance token. Okay, assume that we already bought, and in our wallet of MetaMask we have one Iron token. Now let us see the gain that we will get if I immediately sell. I don't want to wait, I'll just immediately do it. So what is that I can do? I'll just go to the platform. Yeah, so here is the platform. So I have one Iron in my wallet. So if I'm selling that one Iron, I'm getting, it's not updating, let me just refresh so that it will get updated, and it will just help me to show you as well. Fine, even if it is not updating, I can go with the Excel because we have already noted the values there. Okay, so just to not to waste the time, I'll just continue with the Excel. So assume that if I'm selling one Iron token, what I'll be getting? 0.75 of USDC, 0.25 worth of Titan. Let's hope it's not updated still, but okay, I'll just continue with the video. When it gets updated, I'll just take a look back. Okay, so when I put one Iron, I'll be seeing these figures like 0.75 USDC, 25,222 Titan. Remember, you spent only 8,000, but you are getting 25,000 here. And if you convert that 25,000 Titan to USDC at a current market price, you are getting 0.6 USD. And when you sell it all together, when you compare everything in USDC, you are getting 1.34 equivalent USDC if you sell or redeem one Iron. And the arbitrage gain is 0.22 here. So if you are spending 1 lakh US dollars on this, you are almost getting 22,000 US dollars without any time, in no time. So that's the arbitrage gain that is there. And due to that, due to this trick is known to many users or the many big whales, they started doing all this, and they emptied this liquidity pool of Titan and everything they swap to USDT, and thus gained the arbitrage. And why the Titan token is fallen from 52 to $0 is due to the excess supply. Now let me speak a bit on that. So for that, I'll just show you the Titan tokenomics. So you can see here, they just targeted that this will be capped at 1 billion. Remember, 1 billion. Out of this 1 billion, 700 million will be on a community, and 300 million will be on treasury, or which is for developers or whatever for that matter. Okay, so this is what their tokenomics when they designed this particular Titan, and they also told that our purpose is to provide the liquidity or pegging to Iron Finance, and only due to that we are releasing this particular token. And you can also see soon the APIs or with respect to Titan versus USDC keeps on increasing. This particular token will be having a price advantage, and the price will be increased with respect to the demand that this particular Titan token is required to mint an Iron Finance. Okay, with that objective they have come out. Now what has actually happened? People started doing all these arbitrage gain. As a result, you can see that the Titan volume has gone to, I'll just show you that, has gone to 34,697 billion. Where is 1 billion versus actual supply of 34,697 billion? So dear friends, this is what happened, and due to this you can imagine a huge sell-off has happened, because there is a bearish market that has happened. Every seller, even the retailers, started panic selling, and this is what happened, and due to this the coin price has touched zero. And I'll just show you the timeline. So on June 16th, it was at 7 o'clock, it was $52 in the evening or in the night, and the next day within 12 hours you can see it just hit zero. Okay, so this is what has happened. As a result, people have lost tons and tons of profits, or a kind of investments, we can say. It's not even profits, they just lost investments that they supported in the liquidity pools, or that they bought in Iron Finance and kept it with themselves. Okay, so now what happened with respect to Mark Cuban? So he's the guy who has provided liquidity of Titan especially. He didn't provide liquidity for USDC or Iron combination. He provided Iron versus this one, Titan. So what has happened? He has invested close to 74,000. I'll just show you. 75,000 US dollars is something that he has invested in to support this liquidity pool, and you can see the worth. It's close to zero, which is minus 100% return. Yeah, and also why he has done is that he just followed the hype, and he hasn't done his mathematics. and you can also see that some other users have proposed that or projected that with an investment of 24,000 they are going to earn 1,000 a day. Okay, per day they are going to earn this much if they invest in this Titan liquidity pool. Yeah, as a result, with this hype, he has also done that. Since he has done that, many whales have done that. Since whales are doing, many retailers have done that, and it just created all the hype. And as a result, you can see what has happened. Well, so this is a classic example of people investing without knowing about the project. So it's more like people need to know the tokenomics, the project uniqueness, or the thing that they are going to bring in, so that that project will have a good stability altogether. Yeah, so the objective behind making this video is also to show you that, or to just give us suggest that please do not invest in all the new coins that you are hearing about. Please do your own research, and then only you invest, and also invest only the amount that you can afford to lose. Well, so that is all about for today. And also let us see something in the Iron Finance Twitter. They also told that please withdraw all your liquidity. Yeah, please remove liquidity, and here also you can see that. And also, since the Titan token is hit to 0, you cannot withdraw or the swap from here. Even though you can see, you can still wonder, can I do the arbitrage now also? Good that we got this back, and I'll just show you. If you put 1 iron, it's 0.75 USDC and 2522. This is something which I used here. Yeah, so happy that I just justified my Excel workings. Well, so what they're telling is this particular Iron Finance platform is not working now. These smart contracts are not even working. So please withdraw if you have any liquidity provided. Please withdraw from QuickSwap or SwissaSwap. Yeah, so this is all for the video. And if you like the content, please do support us by subscribing to our channel. And if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section so that I'll be able to answer your queries. So thank you, Prem Kasi. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.